Una natin topic mga kaibigan, NGCP admits Chinese national once held executive position. Ito ay article ng Inquirer.net. The National Grid Corporation of the Philippines or NGCP on Thursday admitted that the Chinese national previously held a technical executive position in the company. Ay nako, ba't may Chinese sa isang Pilipina company government pa? With a lawmaker raising concern on its constitutional implication. Nako po, Diyos ko. During the hearing of the Committee on Legislative Franchise of the House of Representatives, Marikina City 2nd District Representative Stella Kimbo asked NGCP Officer in Charge, Chief Technical Officer or CTO, Rico Vega when he assumed the position and why he could not be designated as the permanent CTO. Si Rico Vera ba ang Chinese dito? Hindi natin alam, di ko sure. Kaya basahin pa natin para malaman natin, di ba? Vega answered that he held the position after a previous Filipino OIC CTO retired from the post in April 2021. So kaya naluklok si Vega dahil may nag-retire sa pwesto na yon at siya ang pumalit. NGCP President and CEO Anthony Almeida then said that Vega will have to undergo an HR process. Nangyari ba? Yun ang ating tanong. Kimbo then asked Almeida if he could confirm that a certain Wenbo, si Wenbo pala yung a Chinese national, previously held a CTO role based on the findings of the previous hearing. So, may kumuha mo ng CTO before. Tama ba? Hindi ko alam kung paano nangyari. Pero may naluklok na isang Wenbo sa CTO role na iyon. At ang sabi ni Almeida, yes, he was our chief technical before. Tama nga, may Chinese na sa partida power grid pa yan, Diyos ko. Kimbo raised a concern saying that a 97 Constitution mandates that executive roles in a public utility should be 100% held by Filipinos. So kapag ikaw ay nasa kumpanya na nagsaserve ng public utility, for example ay kuryente, dapat 100% Filipino yung nasa position. Pero ba't may Chinese? Yun yung sinabi sa Section 11 ng Article 12 of the Constitution. NGCP, the country's lone state-owned power grid, is 40% owned by the State Grid Corp of China. Wala, ba't ganun? Ba't may ownership ng Chinese company ha? It is a government-owned enterprise of the Chinese Communist Party. While 60% is owned by Filipino investors including Henry C. Jr. and Robert Coyuto Jr. NGCP Assistant Corporate Secretary Ronald Dilan Concepcion then said that Bo was given necessary permits by different agencies such as the Department of Justice and Department of Energy. Ay, nakalusot din sila doon. Ay, magaling. So, hindi lang pala NGCP ang nagpalusot dito. May dalawa pang department. Ba't pinalakpakan natin yun? Ano sabi ni NGCP Assistant Corporate Secretary Ronald Dilan Concepcion? Wenbo is no longer with NGCP. Tanggal na daw. It's true that for a period of time, he was the Chief Technical Officer but he was allowed and given the proper permits by the DOJ. We even go through the DOE to ask endorsement for his visa and permit. So may pahintulot naman daw pala. When asked about when Bo stopped assuming office, sabi ni Concepcion ay around 2017. Nung umalis siya. In the same hearing, Cagayan de Oro 2nd District Representative Rufus Rodriguez said that the corporation said that a hearing was not necessary as the corporation was compliant with its tax responsibilities. Mali pa yung pinatugtog ko pero okay lang yun. Naka-mute naman. However, Surigao del Norte 2nd District Representative Robert Ace Barbers said that there was a need to do so, raising concerns on who controls the organization. Henry C. Jr., Vice Chairperson of the NGCP, True Almeida, said that the NGCP is a Filipino corporation and we run the company as Filipinos. So may palit passport bang naman? Si Wenbo ba ay naging Filipino national na? Naging naturalized na ba siyang Filipino? Di natin alam kasi hearing to, di ba? Si True Almeida added that the SGCC does not control over the power grid nor the NGCP. So more on ownership lang naman daw ang Chinese company na nag-own na nagpa-partially owned sa NGCP. Okay. So ayun, ano masasabi niya na sa isang government company ay may Chinese executive position? Comment down below.